Hello everyone, today we're gonna be replacing the hub bearing on this Jeep Patriot. We're gonna start by removing the wheel, of course, and we're gonna be using a 19mm socket to do that. If for some reason the drum is stuck, you gotta use some convincing techniques to get it loose. Some penetrating fluid will help as well. Now is a good time to inspect your brake systems and make some adjustments if they are needed. Okay, so let's move on. This sensor right here uses a 10mm bolt to remove it. That's the first thing that we are gonna be taking out. Then you have these 4 bolts holding the hub. Be careful when removing the sensor, you don't wanna break it. It is really simple. You just take that bolt out and then pull the sensor. It should come out very easy. Now for removing the hub, we're gonna be using a 17mm socket. Between the hub you have this big washer, like make sure you put it safe, don't lose it. We have to put it back. Keep in mind that at this point you have your e-brake and your line is still connected. Now simply hold your brake and with the other hand pull the hub. It should come out easily. Take the new hub and the old one and put them both side by side and make sure they match in every single aspect of them. The position of the sensor in the hub was toward the front of the car. We're gonna keep it that way. Remember that washer? Make sure you put it back. Now while holding the hub with one hand, make sure everything's aligned perfectly and start putting all those bolts back in. Since we don't want to damage the thread, make sure you screw them by hand first and then use any tools that you have. Now place your sensor back in and secure it with its bolts. And make sure you don't use any extra force on that sensor bolt. The amount of force that I'm applying to this bolt is very light. Now for the bigger bolts on the hubs, we're gonna set a torque to 75 foot-pound. And just like that, you replace your hub bearing on this Jeep Patriot. Now just place the drum back in, then secure your wheel and you're good to go. Thank you for watching.